And drivers can't see where they're going.
Oh, look, no, look at the passenger. That's me looking at you like, what were you doing? What were you even thinking? Did you go up there in reverse?
Yeah.
Ooh, it's tough as nails, isn't it? Well, how did you turn that so quickly?
I have no idea. So I wasn't expecting all that much from it in here.
Yeah.
Which is why I started shooting in portrait for a short. So we're just gonna have to do it again.
Ah, it's smooth as.
Nailed it. Tires make it hard to control though. Trying to go one way and then they kick in and you go in a different way.
What? I love the look of the camera as if to say, yeah, perfectly planned.
It was.
Jesus. Wow. Whoa.
And tires ain't taking it where I wanted.
You couldn't break this in normal driving. I don't know how much that I got, but I stood my ground. I feel manly. That was super impressive. That should have been upside down. Holy molars. Do it again.
Right, let me just build it into a
Oh my God, I was so ready for that.
I'm gonna build it into a rolling start.
I was salivating.
Oh no.
No.
I got a front flip though.
Hey.
Holy crap!
We haven't had one do that.
That's the first.
We have not had that.
I've lost power again as well. That's annoying.
Definitely think someone's got a new toy here. That was a double bubble.
I'm gonna see if I can land it.
What, that wasn't a landing?
No, land it smooth.
It is a beast. I can't believe how tough it is. What you can do with a decent controller, eh, when you change it around, it's going to be incredible. Oh, you ruined it. Oh, you ruined it.
That wasn't me.
Oh, it shut down?
Yeah, it just cut out.
That completely went off in the wrong direction, that.
Yeah, that stopping was nothing to do with me then.
Because I thought you had that. It was clean. I thought he was going out.
Battery's feeling a little bit deformed.
All right, I think we bent the chassis on that. Oh, you bent the chassis. That's this way as well, man. Yeah, it's pushed everything out.
Hold it up, let me see.
What angle do you want?
All of them.
All right, so that's the thing there. You can tell that's bent over. See how that's gone in and then it's kind of tilted that way, isn't it?
I reckon that was done on that last one though. That was a horrendous landing.
Yeah, it could have been. Oh, there is movement there. Let's have a look. No, that centre is locked up for some reason. So
gearing somewhere, there's a problem.
It's incredible. That is bent. It's an incredible track. Most cars would have died plenty of jumps before. Broke arm. Upper arm there, look.
It's one of my favourites.
That is, yeah, it's just incredible to watch. I enjoyed spinning it around, but watching it is just... We waited so long to get one as well.
Only other thing left to say is FTX are making moves, which means I think they've justified a wheel spin.
Wheel spin day. Oh, here we go, here we go. We sheared off 2 screws where the whole thing has been tilted up, look. Boink, boink. And it's sat on top of that now. I think the problem could come from
Driving. Billy's
Billy's driving. That's in the right ones at the front. Look at the rears, how off they are. That's definitely about 12 mil, 13 mil.
And drivers can't see where they're going.
Oh, look, no, look at the passenger. That's me looking at you like, what were you doing? What were you even thinking?
Pick up the phone.